It is very quiet. It's not even 6 o'clock in the morning just yet. And Vegas is definitely a night city more than a day city. I'm heading back to where I actually went to a show last night. I'm heading to Treasure Island. Today I'm going to the Grand Canyon. We're also going to Hoover Dam and the Joshua Trees. I'm very excited. Hopefully it'll be a good day. Don't really know what to wear because it's currently 15 degrees here. It's supposed to be 20 in the Grand Canyon, but it's supposed to be 28 when we get back. So I brought a couple of outfits with me, but at the moment we're wearing a top and some linen trousers. I've got a couple of jackets in my bag. Today is the Hoover Dam Bridge and Hoover Dam. Boring. There's not much to see once you've seen it, so I'm definitely glad I didn't do a full day trip. In a way, Hawaii and Las Vegas remind me of each other a lot. Like, it's a big city surrounded by mountains. Only in Hawaii they were luscious and green, and in Las Vegas they're like desert rock. I'm also sat next to a really lovely girl from Mexico who I'm speaking to. Unlike me, who's just got sun cream on and bare face, she's done a full face of makeup. She looks beautiful, but mascara, foundation, blusher, lipstick. I guess she's used to the hot weather though. It is so cold on the bus. She has the aircon on, so I've been wearing like a jacket and my coat. And then you get off and it's boiling. We've asked her to turn it up, but she said no. Anyway, the next stop that we have is the Joshua Tree Forest, which I was really excited about, but they're not what I thought they were. Sweaty, and I'm currently inside a sweat lodge. Honestly, I'm so pissed off. I feel like my whole experience has been an absolute shit show. Tour started off really good, had a couple of really good stops at Hoover Dam and the Joshua Tree Forest. We then got here and she said we only had 3 hours when we should have had 4. She said to do the skywalk first, so I did the skywalk first, queued for an hour and a half. And then it's literally less than 5 minutes up there. And then you have to pay $25 per picture if you want pictures, because you're not allowed your camera. I'm absolutely fuming. I'm then supposed to be getting my meal, and the restaurant has the huge queue, so I can't. So I've now got an hour to do both this site and the other site. So the queue to the restaurant where we're supposed to be getting our food is huge, but apparently we can use it at the cafe. So I'm going to get it for the cafe and then eat it in the queue for the shuttle bus, because that queue is also massive. Oh, I think I'm only going to get like 20 minutes at the next place, which is the Better Views. Such a shame. So I have my food. I've got chicken tenders and fries, and it's huge. I'm already stuffed. But I think I'll just be able to hold it for the next half an hour and enjoy it on the bus. We've made it onto the shuttle bus and to the next point. This is Guava Point, the other one was Eagle Point, and the views here are incredible. Literally made it back with 3 minutes to go. That was good timing. stop at Hemingway Park to see some sheep. I think our tour guide said this is the bighorn sheep and it's Nevada's state animal, whereas in Hawaii it was the huna huna nuka nuka akawa'a, which is a type of fish. Absolutely shattered. I think it's like 6:30, 7 o'clock. I'm not actually sure, I'll have to look. But it was a lovely day and it all was perfect apart from that really long wait at the skywalk, and it really did ruin my Grand Canyon experience because I was literally running, which was a shame because it would have been nice to just take a moment to breathe and take it all in. Which I couldn't do, unfortunately, but what I did see was beautiful, don't get me wrong. It's just I would have liked to have been able to appreciate it rather than run. Also, I did have a meal included in my ticket, and when I went to see what it was, I thought it was a sandwich bag, but it was a £25 meal deal, which I got as a takeaway because I didn't want to miss it. But because I was running around, I didn't really get to eat it, so I didn't eat it until I was back on the bus and it was cold. And I ate about half of it, but it wasn't great because it was cold. Not that the food wasn't nice, the food was quite nice. But yeah, so that was a shame. So I've just been to the shops to get some more sun cream because I've run out, and I think Vegas is going to keep being hot, and I think Los Angeles is going to be even hotter. So I've had to buy some sun cream for the extortionate price of $20, which is very sad. While I was there, I got a big bag of crisps that were actually a lot cheaper than I've previously bought, and I think they'll last me until I get back to England, hopefully. And then I picked up a slice of pizza for my tea because I'm not really hungry. I think I'm just shattered and hot and sweaty and I want a shower. The lovely girl next to me has invited me out for a bar crawl, but I'm just so tired and it's not really my thing. But she was traveling by herself as well, and it would have been really nice, but I just feel like a hot mess and I want to have an early night. The next couple of days are busy anyway, so I'm just going to take it as an early night, get to sleep, and then get up early and enjoy 2 days in Vegas.